I'm going to walk you through the restoring of Teams data. This is the new feature in the Ekco M365 backup portal, where we are now able to back up Teams data as well. So these are the teams themselves that we can select for backup. This will include Teams channels, files, and posts. And when restoring, we can see the tabs, posts, and files that have been backed up. So we have the Teams channel here, where we can see post, a bunch of posts, and some data here. And I'm going to remove it. And using the Ekco M365 portal, I will restore it in its original location. Go to the Restore tab. We select the account, select the restore type, Teams, leave this blank, and include deleted data as well. Hit Browse. We will have to authenticate against the backup server in order to browse the data that was backed up. And the page will refresh itself, showing the backed up data where we can browse and select the Teams channel that we want to restore. Right, drill down here. This is the channel in question. Hit restore. Make sure this is the correct selection. Restore to original location, including changed items and missing items. Start restore. Authenticate against the M365 tenant to give right permissions to the Azure AD application on the client side. This window, go back to the tenant, give it a few moments, refresh, and the channel should appear under the team. So here we can see the channel restored with the timestamp of the restore. Here we can see the post restored, again with the same timestamp. And the file that we previously had.